So here in register page, customers just need to fill out this form to create an account. And they will direct to the dashboard. And in login page, you just need to enter your username and password to access your dashboard.
Welcome to Gigi's Beauty Lounge homepage. We made it easy for you to find everything you need. So at the top, you can easily find about, services, contact, and your account. And we believe you should always have time for your beauty and body needs. So for the appointment, click the book appointment button to schedule your visit. And for inconvenience, call us at this number. So for our services, we offer many services to make you feel beautiful, like beautiful nails, refreshing facials, perfect brows, and many more. We've made getting information and help even easier with our handy chatbot. See this blue button? Just click on it. This will open our friendly chatbot ready to assist you instantly. So start new. So you'll see the same familiar speech bubble icon letting you're just a few taps away from getting the information you need. And if you rather speak with someone directly, the call us option is also right there for easy access to our phone number. Once you click chat with us, a friendly window will pop up like this. You'll be greeted by our helpful virtual assistant ready to answer your question. In this case, you see a friendly greeting, "Hello, how can we help you today?" Simply type your question or request in the message box at the bottom. Whether you want to know about our services, check availability, or ask for directions, just type it in. Once you've typed your message, click the send button. It looks like a little paper airplane. Our chatbot will then provide you with an instant response. It's that easy. Get the information you need in seconds right at your fingertips. So go ahead, click the chat with us button and say hello. Our friendly chatbot is waiting you to help you.
Welcome to GJ's Beauty Lunch. We are a team of 8 certified beauty professionals with over 10 years of experience and specialized certifications that reflects the quality of our work. From threading and facials to haircut and more, we bring you to the finest service in town. Our journey began at the best beauty schools, and years of experience, we have mastered the art of delivering beauty and spa treatment. Over the years, we have the privilege of serving thousands of happy clients trusted for their most important occasions, like weddings, corporate parties, concerts, and events. Whether you're looking for a simple touch-up or a full beauty transformation, we are here to make you to feel and look best. Book your appointment today and experience the beauty that it speaks for itself.
Here on contact page, on the left, you will see the address, phone, and email. On the right side is the contact form. It's for sending inquiries easily, especially outside business hours. Below is the map show our exact location.
Their salon is offer a wide range of premium services, facial and expert nail care. Each services is delivered with care and precision by our skilled professional committed to enhance your natural beauty. Stay connected and inspired. Follow GAS Beauty Lunch on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for the latest style updates and beauty tips. Booking your next beauty experience at GJS Beauty Lunch is simple and convenient. From the homepage, navigate to the Book Appointment section, select the service you desire, whether facial, nail care, or other specialty. Proba- Next, choose your preferred date and time from the available slot. Provide your contact details and any specific notes or requests you have. Once everything is confirmed, click Submit to finalize your booking. You will receive confirmation shortly, ensuring your spot is reserved. Thank you for choosing GAS Beauty Lunch, where every appointment.
Thanks for watching our video.